Hi guys, Heather Pierce Campbell, the legal website warrior, attorney and legal coach, coming at you from Seattle, Washington. Thank you for joining me for day 10 of this 10-day video series on the 10 biggest legal mistakes made by online entrepreneurs. So today's mistake is, in my mind, it's the business equivalent of having your personal will or estate documents drafted and then never looking at them again. Right? So I see this a lot in small business and for sure with online entrepreneurs as well, that many people go to some initial effort to get something done, and maybe you get your initial business formation documents drafted and you get your business formed. Maybe you get even your standard client agreement in place, or you inherited one from your coaching program or wherever you got your education to become a consultant, right? Maybe you got something in place in the beginning and then you don't revisit it again, or it takes a long time before you update it. I see a lot of this going on with people delivering services and working in their business in a whole different way than is actually reflected in their documents, including their contracts. This is critical, guys. If your business has evolved, if you've changed your business name, you've changed whole segments of your business, you've changed the way that you deliver your services, or you've developed new content, different programs, whatever, you need documents that reflect where you're at in your business. And so this is all about being able to analyze on an ongoing basis where your business is at and what risk you are taking on in your business. Right? I don't want people going to the effort of getting some initial documentation in place and then never looking at it again. So please don't make this mistake, because in some instances, having old documents in place can be even more harmful to your business than even having zero documents in place, depending on what's in those documents and depending on how they're drafted. But if you have documents that no longer fit your business, you're not up to date with that stuff, it can be a real problem. So be sure that you don't make this mistake and that you do, at least on an annual basis, a reevaluation of where you're at in your business and learn to do an ongoing risk assessment. Meaning that if you change something in your business, you take on a new area, you add a new service area, a new client feature, whatever, that you address it and you make sure that it's covered in your documentation and in your standard contracts. If you need any help with this or you have any questions, please get in touch. Don't make this mistake. Like I said, it can be very costly and I don't want that for you. If this is helpful for you, please be sure to like my page, or if you think some of your colleagues or friends in business could benefit from this as well, please feel free to share. Thank you so much for hanging with me on this 10-day journey through the 10 biggest legal mistakes that I see with online entrepreneurs. I'll have more video content for you soon, but in the meanwhile, cheers and buckle up in business. Thanks.